Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the NX product marketing team, and today we're going to be looking at how to set up, deploy, and manage Design Center X users. Design Center X is a Siemens software solution developed to enhance digital engineering and collaboration throughout the lifecycle of engineering projects. It provides a centralized cloud-based platform where project teams can efficiently manage, share, and visualize engineering data from different disciplines. The platform allows for seamless data exchange between multiple engineering and design tools, enabling better coordination and reducing the potential for errors. Features such as version control, access management, and real-time collaboration help teams stay aligned and maintain data consistency. User management is crucial because it ensures that individuals have appropriate access to relevant data, functions, and tools within a digital platform like Design Center X. By assigning specific roles and permissions, user management helps maintain security and protects sensitive project information from unauthorized access or alterations. It also streamlines collaboration as each team member sees and works with only what they need, reducing the likelihood of errors and confusion. Effective user management enables tracking of activities, supports accountability, and ensures that workflows move efficiently while complying with organizational and regulatory requirements. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up and manage your team in Design Center X, ensuring your projects stay secure and organized. We'll cover the basics of Accelerator Admin Console, Siemens Software Center, and installing Design Center X. Let's go ahead and get started. We will skip the ECA setup step today as it is more specialized and typically handled by IT administrators. But don't worry, we'll cover this process in detail in a later video. Just to briefly explain, the first step in getting started is typically to set up your ECA, which is short for Enterprise Cloud Account. An Enterprise Cloud Account serves as the central administrative account that an organization uses to manage access, users, and permissions across Siemens cloud-based solutions, including Design Center X. After our ECA has been created, users should now receive an email inviting them to sign into Siemens Accelerator Admin Console. If you do not receive the email, please check your spam or junk folder or contact your administrator. To access the Admin Console website, you can search cloud.sw.siemens.com/admin or select the link in the description below. Once we have navigated to the page, we are prompted to enter our Siemens login credentials, and we are now able to access the Admin Console. Admin Console is a fundamental tool for organizations that want to efficiently manage user access, roles, and permissions across their Siemens cloud solutions, including Design Center X. Its centralized dashboard streamlines administrative tasks, helping teams maintain strong security protocols and ensure users only have access to the resources they need. The Admin Console also simplifies onboarding, role changes, and user removals, making it much easier to scale and adapt as project requirements shift. By consolidating user management into one interface, administrators gain greater visibility into team structure and can quickly address access issues, ensuring organizational compliance and smooth project workflows. The layout of Admin Console is designed for clarity and efficiency. Upon logging in, administrators are greeted by a main dashboard displaying summary highlights such as active users, tokens, and server users. Navigation menus on the side allow for easy access to sections like admin management, tokens, audit logging, and group management. To manage user access in Design Center X, navigate to the Assigned Users tab within the Siemens Accelerator Admin Console. This section presents a clear list of all users currently associated with your organization's enterprise cloud account, along with their roles and privileges. To add a new user, simply click the Assign User button, enter their email address, and select the appropriate role or group for them. The interface will prompt you to choose roles for your new members, such as application owner or member, ensuring that each team member gets exactly the access they need. Once the new user has been successfully added, their status will be visible in the list, typically changing from pending to active once they accept the invitation. The Assigned Users tab also allows you to edit roles or privileges for existing users at any time, making it easy to adapt team structure as project requirements change. Here, you can assign specific roles, such as granting application owner privileges to certain members or limiting access for others, which promotes both security and efficiency. Additionally, the tab offers reporting features. You can view who has what licenses, track license usage, and generate lists for audits or reviews. This level of flexibility and visibility empowers administrators to manage user access proactively, ensure compliance, and maintain full control over the team's operational landscape. The Token tab in the Siemens Xcelerator admin console plays a key role in flexible software access management. Think of tokens as digital credits that control who can use various Siemens cloud applications, including Design Center X. Instead of assigning permanent licenses to each user, tokens let you grant task-specific access, making it much easier to adapt to changing project needs and save on licensing costs. When you first open the Token tab, you'll see a clear overview of your current token balance and allocation status. This dashboard quickly shows how many tokens are available, how many are already assigned, and which applications they are being used for. This level of real-time insight allows administrators to make informed decisions about resource distribution, ensuring that your available tokens are used as efficiently as possible. Allocating tokens to users is a straightforward process. Simply select the desired user or group from the list, decide how many tokens to assign or which application access to grant, and confirm your choices. If needed, you can review or adjust token allocations at any time, giving you the flexibility to respond to changing user requirements or project priorities. The Token tab isn't just about access. It's also an important reporting and compliance tool. Here you can track which users hold tokens, monitor application usage, and generate reports for auditing or planning purposes. This transparency not only improves accountability, but also helps you forecast future licensing needs and avoid over-provisioning or underutilization. If a user's responsibilities shift or if team structures change, tokens can be easily reallocated. With just a few clicks, privileges can be updated to ensure the right individuals have access to the right tools at the right time. This dynamic approach to resource management makes your organization more nimble and cost-effective, while also reducing administrative workload for IT teams. Audit logging in the admin console provides a vital record of administrative activities, system events, and configuration changes. It meticulously tracks who did what, when, and where within the console. This includes actions like user management, setting adjustments, security policy modifications, and even failed login attempts. Each log entry typically details the timestamp, the user or process involved, the specified action, the affected item, and the outcome, creating a comprehensive history of administrative operations. To generate an audit log, we can select Create Report and then enter a title, description, and date range. Once that is done, clicking Generate Report will produce a downloadable Excel file containing a detailed chronological record of all administrative actions and system events that have occurred within the specified period. This robust logging is crucial for several reasons. It's essential for security and compliance, helping detect unauthorized access and meet regulatory requirements by offering an immutable record. Audit logs are also invaluable for troubleshooting, allowing administrators to quickly identify recent changes that might have caused system issues. And finally, they promote accountability among administrators, as all actions are recorded, encouraging responsible management of the platform. Switching gears now, we can look at the actual onboarding process when getting started with Design Center X. After a user is added to the ECA, they will receive an email confirming their access. With that, let's fire up Siemens Software Center to kick off the download. In case you don't have Siemens Software Center or SSC installed yet, we're going to begin things by downloading it. The link to SSC can be found in the description below, but searching Siemens Software Center in your browser will bring up this same web page. Selecting Download from the center of our screen will give us an executable file, which first installs SSC and then prompts us to once again sign in using our Siemens credentials. Now that we are inside Siemens Software Center, we can begin the process of installing Design Center X. To start, we can check which version we will be installing to our machine. We recommend installing the latest release version for optimal compatibility with current projects and to ensure you have access to the newest features and security updates. Next, we can check our install options. Again, we can farther fine-tune which release is installed to our machine, and we can also specify our folder location. After that, we can kick off our installation by selecting Download. Picking up things after the installation is finished, we can now find a NX Managed Mode icon on our desktop. Double-clicking on this icon will boot up Design Center. As we load in, a window will open in the browser, and as the description suggests, this window allows Teamcenter desktop clients to share a single sign-on session with Teamcenter browser clients, so it's important we leave this window open in the background. Now that Design Center is open, we can verify our installation in a couple of different ways. First off, the initials in the upper right-hand corner of our screen signal we are working within Design Center X. Hovering over this icon should display your name and email. Next, we can verify the release we are working in. To do this, we can select File, Help, and then About NX, which will display our NX version information. Right at the top of this window will indicate our release number. And lastly, since we're working within a managed environment, we can access any datasets that our team has uploaded to Teamcenter. An easy way to find these datasets is through the search bar in the upper right side of our Teamcenter display window. Once we've located a dataset that we would like to work with, we can review important information for our dataset and even make modeling changes directly within the integrated environment. So that brings us to the end of our guide on setting up and managing users for Design Center X. We've covered the crucial steps from your initial ECS setup and user administration in the Siemens Xcelerator admin console to understanding token allocation, audit logging, and getting started with the Siemens Software Center. By following these guidelines, you're well equipped to ensure your secure access, enable efficient collaboration, and streamline your project workflows within Design Center X. Thank you for your time and attention.